So I know that school has already started for a lot of people, and I just know that some of y'all are already running late, okay? So no worries. I came up with a 10-minute quick hygiene routine for the days when you have to hurry up because the bus is gonna leave your butt, okay? If you're interested, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brony, and before I start the video, I just want to say thank you for 500 subscribers. Like, I'm so grateful. A lot of people are gonna say it's just 500, but yeah, I'm still grateful. So I baked this little cupcake. It's not burnt, we're gonna say that it's brown, okay? So we can like blow out a candle together. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so here is to more family joining our YouTube channel, and let's just say here's to 600 subscribers. Okay, we're gonna take it slow, 100 subscribers at a time. Okay, here's to that. Yay! I'm really excited, guys. So yeah, this cupcake is pretty good. Like, it's super soft. But let's get into the actual video. So first things first, I pick up these two, and yes, there isn't a toothbrush inside, but you know what I mean. Guys, go ahead and brush your teeth, brush your tongue, because I don't know if you guys know, but you can still smell bad breath through a face mask, okay? And you don't want that to happen to you, so go ahead and brush your teeth. You guys are going to say that this is common sense, we know that we have to do these things, but not everybody knows, and some people know and they still don't do it. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys, not to offend anybody, okay? After brushing my teeth, I usually take a cold shower, you guys. I'm not a morning person and I'm usually still sleepy, so when I take a cold shower, it wakes me up right away, okay? You guys should try it. This is the body wash that I use. It's very good, it smells very good, and it doesn't have like a scent that's too heavy, you know, so it's definitely good for a school day. Or I also use this Dove soap bar, beauty cream bar, sorry. I also use this. You can use it on your entire body. Yes, on your entire body, and it's pretty good, okay? For the people that don't take showers in the morning, that's okay. I'm not here to judge you on anything, but I would recommend for you to take a rag or a towel and just wet it with some water and just wipe your body so you can still, you know, be fresh and start off clean, you know. And also wash your face, okay? Yeah, wash your face. I don't have like the fancy skincare routine, but I do use a face wash, what's it called? I do use this. Yes, I use this. And then I use a moisturizer. I don't want to show you guys my skincare products because yeah, I'm not a skincare guru, okay? Yeah. So that's it for the shower part. When I'm out of the shower, I usually put on my clothes first and then put on my deodorant. Some people do it the other way around, but this is how I do it. This is the deodorant that I use. It's a natural deodorant. It's pretty good. Or I also use this Dove. It depends on how I'm feeling. Guys, please don't forget this. Please don't forget this. You're gonna be uncomfortable the entire day. I promise you. I know I forgot a couple of times, and all I did was this. That's all I did. I didn't want to even do this, okay guys? So please don't forget it. And make sure you have like a smaller deodorant in your backpack. I have an entire emergency kit for you guys. I will put it right here or in my description box. Go watch that video after this one. So if you forgot it and you're already at school, then you can just take your extra one and apply it at school, okay? That way you'll be safe from, you know, okay? So yeah. Okay, so next up I have my lotion. This is the lotion that I use. It's pretty good. I have really dry skin and it helps me. Like, I hate lotion, you guys. Trust me, I hate lotion. But yeah, I don't want to be ashy at school, and neither do you. So go ahead and put on some lotion, some oil, like, or a butter for your skin. I don't put lotion all over my body, just the parts that are showing. Yeah, don't come for me, I know, but this is what I use. I just put on my lotion, and then pretty much, yeah, almost done. So okay, just when I'm done with mostly everything, I take my body mist. This is the one that I use. It's not a fancy one or whatever, but it smells pretty good. It smells like cotton candy. I just take it and I just all over my body. You know how that goes. And I also have this one. It smells good. Like, yeah, just go ahead and spray your entire body, and you can take it, you know, you can put it in your bag and take it to school with you if you want. But yeah, this one is the one I use the most, okay? But this one is like a backup. After that, you can use a perfume if you want to, but I think that's optional because not everyone wears perfume. But yeah, just put on some perfume, not too much, you guys. You don't want people to walk past you, and yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I can't explain it, but you know the type of smell that I'm talking about. Like, you're walking past someone and they put too much perfume, and the smell is way too strong for your nose to handle, okay? So that is basically it, you guys. This is optional. I use some Vaseline on my lips. I am wearing a mask, you know, when I go to school, but you know, can we still wear some Vaseline? Because trust me, sometimes my lips are so dry under the mask. You guys are like, no, please wear some Vaseline and you'll be good to go. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this video, then go ahead and leave a like, because that's what it's for, right? Yeah, okay, please go ahead and leave me a like. And if you are interested in seeing more of my videos, then make sure to subscribe down below. We're on our journey to 600 subscribers, so yes, if you can help me get there, why not? Yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.